Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the most popular technology stocks in the world, known for its leadership in AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. Okay, so this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stocks on Robinhood in 2026. Okay, so first thing, open Robinhood. Okay, as you can see, this is the website. Launch the Robinhood app on your phone or log in from the web. So log in to your account, complete identity verification if required. So you have to sign up. Make sure your account is approved for stock trading. So new accounts may take some time to be verified. Okay, so the next step now after signing up is to deposit funds. Okay, so before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need money in your Robinhood account. Okay, so you have to tap account, select transfers, choose transfer money, link your bank account if necessary, deposit the amount you want to invest. So after that, fund should be added, buying power available. So Robinhood may provide instant buying power for eligible users. So as we can see here, like tap account, select transfers and transfer money, deposit the amount you want to invest, and wait until you have available buying power. Okay, so after that, search for NVIDIA. Okay, so tap search icon, then type NVIDIA. Okay, and after that, select NVIDIA corporation. Okay, so you should see the NVIDIA stock page. Okay, always verify the ticker symbol is NVIDIA before purchasing. Okay, then tap buy. Okay, so open the NVIDIA stock page and tap buy, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.